Apple TV expects you to have an iPhone in order to accept new iCloud terms and conditions. Well, you know what? The Apple TV has increasingly asked for iPhone intervention. Whether it's for text input, like on an on-screen keyboard or something, it is more convenient for that. You used to be able to launch a virtual remote on the phone as well if you lost or didn't want to use your hardware remote.
But why an iPhone, though? Can it just work on an Android
How
phone?
dare you?
Come on now.
Why an iPhone? They're sending you to the store, man. They're sending you to the website. They're making you feel this is green bubble, blue bubble territory. Update your Apple ID. The Apple ID needs to be updated to use new features. Hold your phone, your iPhone or iPad close to the Apple TV to update. Wow. So why can't I accept it? It looks like in the right-hand side, there's another page there where it looks like there is maybe a way to accept it otherwise. A viral tweet today highlights a somewhat frustrating limitation with the Apple TV software. As of recent software update, tvOS expects users to have access to an iPhone or iPad in order to do things like accept new iCloud terms and conditions. Most people will, with an Apple TV, do have an iPhone, I guess. I'm one of the rare cases where I do use an Apple TV at home, but I don't use an iPhone. There are iPhones in my house, though.
But can it be like a MacBook? Can it be an iPad? You know?
Well,
can it be an Android phone?
I have to believe that they're going to fix this. This is kind of crazy. There's definitely Apple TVs that are out in the wild without an iPhone nearby. Most of the Apple TV can be used without needing access to other Apple hardware. You can set up the Apple TV from scratch completely independently, install apps, and make purchases. Typical Apple ID management duties can be performed from a web browser on a PC if occasionally necessary. I don't even think I've had to do that frequently. Wow. So let me see the viral tweet. I own an Apple TV. I own not a single other Apple device, not one. Every time I start the Apple TV, I get this prompt now. Apple, what do you expect me to do about this? Wow. Okay, that's ugly. They got to fix that. That's a huge problem, Will. I don't think I've encountered these new terms yet on my app. Or if I did, no, I didn't, because I didn't bring an iOS device nearby. Maybe someone else in my house did. Whoa. Rather than allowing users to read and accept the terms on the Apple TV itself, the box says you must use iOS device to do it.
Maybe it's just a glitch.
Okay, hang on. At the very bottom, in both cases, these prompts can be temporarily dismissed, but they frequently recur until they have been dealt with. So it's just it is an annoyance, though.
It's a pop-up.
That's an annoyance. That's an annoyance. They're going to have to fix this.
Why can't they
go ahead and fix this?
Yeah.
No, they got to just show the terms on the TV. It's like when you're using PlayStation or something. You just scroll,
scroll. Yeah.
whatever. Just show the terms. Get over it.
Yeah.